Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE CS set 2 2025 GA question number 1. Despite his initial hesitation, Rehman's dash to contribute to the success of the project never wavered. Select the most appropriate option to complete the above sentence, and 4 options are given. Let's first understand each option. Option A, ambivalence. What is ambivalence meaning? The state of having mixed feeling or contradictory idea about something or someone. Means whether we should do this or not. It's like confusing state. It's like contradictory state. Okay? But he gave input to success that cannot be forget, right? So that's why option A is wrong. Next option B, satisfaction. Satisfaction means fulfillment, pleasure, achievement, joy, or you can say gratification. That cannot fit here. That Rehman's satisfaction to contribute the success. No, this is not fitting. Next option C, resolve. Resolve means giving some input to something that is important to find the solution, to reach a decision, to break up, to clear up, to declare. So it's like Rehman find the solution and that contributed to the success of the project. Okay. So option C will be perfect. Means despite of his hesitation, his input to the project can never waver, right? So answer can be option C. Next, option D, revolve. Revolve means to roam around something. Treat as the most important point or element, move in a circle, orbit or around. So revolve around something. That cannot fit here. So answer will be option C. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.